Hello friends, in this video, I will explain what an Instagram profile card is and its uses. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Without any delay, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application and then click on your profile icon, which is right below. On your profile page, if you see this pop-up message, then click it, but if it is not showing, then click on Share Profile. Alright friends, this is your profile card. The Instagram profile card is a new feature Instagram introduced to make it easier for users to share their profiles in the real world. It generates a customizable, scannable card or QR code containing a user's Instagram profile, which others can scan to quickly access the profile and follow the account. So now it becomes easy to share your profile with others. To share your profile, click on Share, and then simply share your profile with someone you know via WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other medium. You can also download this to your mobile gallery and then share your card anytime through your gallery. To download it, simply click on the download button. Now click on QR code to download the QR code. You can also change the color of this code. After that, click on Done. In the same way, the profile card is downloaded. One more thing, you can also share this to your story. To share, click on Add to Story, and then customize your story by adding music, effects, and sharing it to your story. It is so simple to share this to your story. This is all about the Instagram profile card. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching and have a good day.